This is a 4-roll pack of the Becko brand vacuum sealer rolls. They're 11-inch by 20 foot. Once again, it's a 4-pack, and you can see it's FDA approved, BPA free. It's good for vacuum sealers, sous vide, stuff like that. They don't want you to microwave in them. They are 3.5 mil thick on the smooth side and 12 mil thick on the pattern side. So let me take one of these rolls out, and I have some nice chicken to put in there to vacuum seal, and I'll show you how they work. So here's a close-up of the pattern side. It does seem really nice and thick compared to the bags I was using, and the smooth side right here. So we're going to go ahead and make this bag and put some chicken in it and seal it up. Alright, I have a good 3 or so, maybe even 4 pounds of chicken breast in there that I'm going to freeze because I'm not going to be using it today. This is, of course, the point of a vacuum sealer and these bags, is that you can get this stuff in bulk very inexpensively. So these are in the Becko bags, and we'll hit the vacuum seal button. See it vacuum that perfectly nice. Perfect. And you can see that did a fairly nice job of vacuum sealing these. So once again, this was the 4-pack of the Becko brand vacuum sealer rolls. They seem to be excellent quality, even better than the ones I've been using. So if you'd be interested in purchasing this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.